Good afternoon. I'm just crouched down behind this wall because today it's really windy. I'm not even joking. If I just stand up, look at the state of the sea, and it's going to absolutely piddle down at any minute. But as always, it's not going to stop us. We're just going to have a little go on the stones today. I did go out at the weekend, and to be quite honest, it was crap. Oh, is that it? It's looking like it. That's a tag, is it? That is that's a dog tag. Someone's phone number on it. There's one over there, look. We don't need the machine for that one. Oh, that's a new one. Oh, look at that. We need to get this off the beach. It's got a nasty hook on that as well. Oh, I've just pulled one out on the scoop. I think it's just a bit of tube. Hopefully you can see that in there. I've just been out to the sea to rinse it off. That was a cracking signal, that. Not really having much joy. Got a little foot scrape, and we've got a disc with nothing on it. It's looking like a button. How long's that been there? It's on the surface as well. Well, it looks like we've got our first target. I do apologise about this wind, but that is way out of my control. Just down there we've got a 15, 14, 15. It's not very deep at all. So, it's there somewhere. We might be able to get it with a pinpointer. I hope so anyway. Just so you know, I'm getting absolutely soaked. Where are we? Oh, here we go. Almost standing on it. That's a 50 pence. We'll take that for the first one. But I'm pretty sure there was a target over here. There is. That's a 15, 16. And it's in there somewhere. So it could be another coin or it could be crap. And I'm just so you know, I'm absolutely soaked already. I've only been here about 10 minutes. Oh, here we go. There's a 20p. That was the signal, the first signal I must have seen. I'm going to have a little scan over this with a machine and see if there's any more here. Once again, not very deep. 2 inches. It's a banging 16. Both ways. I don't even know if you can hear me with this wind, but I'm doing my best, and it certainly beats sitting at home twiddling my thumbs. Where are you? Oh, there we go. That's looking like a ring. Any hallmarks? Bear with me. I can't see any as such. No, I think that's just a junk ring. Quite small as well. But obviously I'll have a look at that, see if I can find any hallmarks. I don't think there's any on it. But we'll take that anyway and we'll keep going. Oh, this time, just a fishing weight. Bruised and battered, that one. I just want to show you this weather. Unbelievable. Still, never mind. Got waterproof skin. You're not supposed to be there, you bugger. Still, if you don't dig them, you're missing other bits, so always safer to dig them, even though we don't really want to. I don't want to tempt fate or anything, but I think it's going to stop raining. No, it has actually stopped raining. Long may it continue. Oh, there it is, aluminium. Hate this stuff with a passion. Sun's out now, still windy, and the sea's still rough. Just scraped my foot over this, and just got an old 2 pence, and I did see another. I've lost it now. I did see another coin here. There it is. And that is looking like a 20 pence. Still in roughly the, God, that's been there a while. Still roughly in the same area. Just having a little scout about. I'm not venturing too far away from the car today. Well, there's something there apparently. Could be another bit of crap. Oh, there we go. That's another 2 pence. I think that's probably our lot. I'll give it another scan. Not that I want to sit here collecting 2p's, but so we've got a 14 in there, which is probably a bottle cap. No, I'm going to say that's our lot there. Here we are, just found it. There was the 14. I'm pretty sure it's a 14. We'll just have a quick check. Yeah, that 10 pence was ringing up 14. I thought it was around here somewhere, then I was half going to give up. Well, that came in on the Knox 23, which should be a £1 coin. But it just shows you it can also be crap. Just had a little foot scrape. 23. Shit, there we go. The nugget. My first one. Something's a bit rusty. I'm just gonna give the machine another going over that, just in case it's a coin still. You never know. No, that's our lot there. I just pulled a crusty penny out from here and there's another signal. Oh, and that's looking like a crusty 2p. It is a crusty 2p. Oh, there it is, look. Another foot scrape and another 50 pence. It's quite surprising because I'm on quite a bit of the beach now. I'm away from all the houses and whatnot. This must be where all the scallywags hang out at night, dropping their money.